Alright, today we're opening up this air fryer that who wanted?
Mommy.
So we're gonna open it up and see what's in it.
Yeah. I thought you could make that into chicken nuggets in there. And french fries. Wow.
Okay, so look, we got the instructions.
Yeah.
Some more little papers.
And then we got this. I don't know what you need. Oh my.
And here goes the powerful
Yes.
air fryer.
It's heavy for
What
you.
is it called? Air fryer. Power XL VORTEX air fryer. So, that's just Melly, everyone. Don't look at her.
Yeah, look. Okay.
And here it is.
I don't know why we need this.
So yeah, there it is.
Yeah. So our new.
Mommy's new air fryer.
And then also I'm gonna get in the box.
No, don't get in the box.